Here are my dear friends, out and about today too. A bike ride towards the Uwa area in Pa Tong, and we will discover something very interesting. We arrived at the place planned for today's visit. Wat Nong Pueng Temple. This temple, likely influenced by Shan culture, boasts stunning architecture and welcoming monks. Some of whom speak Shan, a language which reflects their own valued heritage. Led by a highly respected abbot, or Kroba, the temple serves as a cultural hub for the Shan community, whose historical migration to the region has significantly shaped the artistic and religious landscape of northern Thailand. The history of the Shan people's migration to northern Thailand is also fascinating. The Shan people, also known as the Thai Yai or Shan State ethnic group, have a distinct culture and language. They originated from the Shan State in present-day Myanmar, Burma, but have a long history of migration and trading with neighboring regions, including northern Thailand. The influence of Shan art and culture can be seen in many temples and attractions in northern Thailand. This cultural exchange is a testament to the region's rich history of diversity and cooperation. The preservation of Shan architecture, art, and culture in these temples and attractions is a significant aspect of Thai heritage and a valuable part of the country's cultural identity. The fact that most of the monks in the temple can speak Shan further highlights the cultural significance of the temple. It suggests a strong connection between the temple and the Shan community, which is a unique aspect of Thai culture. This is not only a temple but also serves as an orphanage. This temple's dual role as a place of worship and an orphanage adds a layer of profound significance to the visit. It's truly remarkable to discover a temple that doubles as an orphanage, providing not only spiritual solace but also a safe haven for those in need. The fact that it combines faith and charitable work in one location is a testament to the power of compassion and community, allowing the temple to make a profound impact on the lives of both the children and the local villagers. On this occasion, too, the moment of return arrives. Riding our bike, with joy for these wonderful moments, we just let the good time roll. Thanks for accompanying me this time too. To meet again for the next ride and, as always happy ride.